Hi guys, welcome to TutorBin. In the last video, we have discussed how to choose and narrow your essay topic. In this video, we'll be learning how to make a perfect essay outline. So if you haven't watched the previous video, click here to watch it now. Let's go. Before proceeding further, let us understand what is an essay outline. An essay outline is a kind of writing plan that helps you to provide a better organization to your paper. By writing a small summary, you can structure your essay logically and easily. And it helps to understand the writers what content should be placed in each paper section. Now, what an essay outline includes? Essay outline includes three components. First, the main idea or a thesis statement. Second, supporting points. And third, conclusion. First, the main idea or a thesis statement. It is the core of the essay and relates back to it. As you know, essays can't live without thesis statement. So a thesis statement will help you to support in each paragraph of your essay body. Second, supporting points. If you are writing a 5-para essay, you will need 3 supporting points. While in a longer argumentative essay, you will need 3 to 5 supporting points along with the evidences. For a narrative or a descriptive essay, you will need to provide points, but these will be various stages in your story that build suspense or move forward. Third, conclusion. Now, how to end your essay? You can end your essay by rounding off with a small summary and clearly state what your audience can gain from your writing, or any thoughts which can be further explored or researched. Again, this will depend upon your level of writing. A small summary might suffice 5-para essay, but in a longer argumentative essay, a more thoughtful and a reflecting end might be required. Now the question arises why you should write an essay outline. So here are the advantages. First, you are structuring your essay and developing a flow with your own ideas. Second, the flow becomes natural and easy to follow. Third, your thoughts are systematically arranged with a good plan. And fourth, if you are giving it to your professors or teachers, they require an outline which will help you to score good grades. Now we move on to the next topic, which is 4 steps of writing an essay outline. Before starting any essay, you need to make sure that you consider all the necessary details in a short and a coherent manner. It should be comprehensive while remaining brief. Now we move on to the first step, which is research and preparation. The first step of any assignment is to go thoroughly through the guidelines and strictly follow them. Find your right approach, right resources, and also check the word limit, citation style, essay format. Step 2. Find your topic. Now in this, you will be given a topic or you want to search topic by yourself. So do a research, take the best option and work on it. Step 3. Find the purpose. Usually we know what is the purpose of writing an essay outline, but we do forget it sometimes due to the flow. So find your purpose beforehand and prove something or prepare a report on it. Step 4. Know your audience. Audience plays a crucial role in your essay outline. You should be aware whom you are writing to, whether your audience is a business professional or a colleague or a classmate or any other. If you are aware about your audience, you can create a needed effect, as well as you'll be able to give a proper title to it and a correct terminology for your essay. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and we hope that it might be helpful for you to write an essay outline for your essays. If you need any help, please reach out to us. TutorBin is always here for you. Also, stay tuned for the next video in Essay Writing 101 series. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe now.